Right, I needed some potatoes, so I just harvested some. There you go. A new batch for this week. So these are a little corky. It's almost like they exploded, and also they get eaten. There's like a bunch more, but there's holes in it. So I'm not gonna harvest those. I have to find out what the reason is for that. Why these are a little different than the other ones over there. This is the state of the sunflowers in October. This one is just like so huge to me. Look at that. So I have this like pallet that can use as a fence. I just have to remove the bottom parts. Alright, remove the bottom parts. And now I can dig some holes and put it in. This is just a temporary solution because this wood is gonna rot very fast. Alright, I dug some holes and then I use this tool to make the holes a little deeper. Yeah. Now I'm gonna I don't have a level, so I can't exactly see, but I will just do it with my eyes and try to do it as straight as possible. Now just close the holes next to the posts. So this weekend I had to do some work here at the gardens, and I spotted a location where I could get some pretty decent compost soil. So yeah, I got one wheelbarrow of that. Also on this piece of I noticed that the soil is different in different locations. Like over here it's okay-ish, back there it's much worse, and then over here is also very good, much better soil, and you see the differences in growth all the time. And then here it's also mediocre. It's not the best soil. So yeah, I can also check the soil now, how it improved, but I can also do it in a couple of months when everything died down a little bit, because it's getting winter. So I put it over here, yeah, and just it's gonna improve this soil a little more again. As you can see, these are from this patch over here. Like I said already, this part is not the best soil I discovered. And this one, yeah, that one is from back there when I put in the fence. So you can see how the soil, yeah, dependent on the soil, you get like these potatoes or you get these potatoes. And this one was also on the other end, but it's not super big. Yeah, so soil is what makes the difference. Yeah, and these potatoes, the small ones, are from 1 square meter over here. So there's really not a lot in there. And if you look at the soil, like you see that kind of like the top layer, it gets, yeah, it is pretty dark. Maybe over here you see it better. See, it's like this blackish material. That's good. But as soon as you go a little deeper here, see, all white sand. Yeah, that needs some improvement. You want to have like a top layer that's like this black stuff of like 20 centimeter, something like that, or 8 inches. Yeah, and then you can really build something great. So I cleared another piece next to it, like another square meter. And here you already see the soil was a little better. And this was the first square meter. This is the second. See, there's already bigger ones. And there's more. So when we move from that side, the soil over here already improved. Yeah, so probably over there it's even better, because there's also growing more now, and here was not growing anything anymore. So yeah, it's exciting to see from your harvest. You can measure how your soil is and compare to different parts. This is when I put the fence in. I want to improve the soil a little bit with one wheelbarrow of compost from the forest. I'm going to check out this part of the garden for more potatoes. So on this side they were medium sized, then there were like pretty big ones here, and then to the left there were medium sized again. So it could be that like the electroculture earth magnetic antenna, that only one is working and the other one is not. So yeah. Another free product from nature.